Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're preparing for the PTE exam, you probably have heard of people saying that essay templates don't work anymore. Well, that's not exactly true. Essay templates still work, but only if you use them smartly. So let's break this down in a simple way. So first things first, what's this task all about? In the writing section, you need to write an essay of about 200 to 300 words in about 20 minutes. You'll get a topic and you have to prove that you can organize your ideas well, use correct grammar, and stay on topic. Earlier, content was just 3 marks, linguistic range around 2 to 3 marks, and structure or coherence around 2 to 3 marks each. But now, all three of them carry 6 marks each, whereas marks for grammar, vocabulary, form, and spelling remain the same. Does this mean your favorite templates are dead? Well, no, but you cannot copy paste one generic essay anymore. Here's how to make templates work after the changes. Don't follow templates blindly, always add content that's relevant to your topic. Structure plus relevancy is everything you need. Use different structures for different essay types, like agree, disagree, versus advantages, disadvantages. Stick to 200 to 300 words with 4 to 5 paragraphs. Use connectors like firstly, however, in conclusion to make it flow smoothly. And above all, no grammar or spelling mistakes. They cost you directly. Here are some examples of templates for different types of essays. Now let's look at some common essay types in PTE.
Number 1, advantage and disadvantage essay. Number 2, agree or disagree essay. Number 3, problem solution essay. Number 4, discuss both sides and views essay. And number 5, two-part question essays.
If you know these types, you can prepare flexible instead of rigid ones. Alright, now that we have looked at template ideas, here are some quick hacks to use. Number 1, plan for 2 minutes before writing. Just jot down your main ideas. Number 2, always include examples. They make your essay stronger. Number 3, use clear connectors so your essay reads smoothly. Number 4, leave 2 minutes to proofread. Even small grammar mistakes will hurt your score. So, bottom line, templates still work, just make them topic specific, structured, and error free. If you do that, you'll easily get high scores in PTE writing. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical PTE tips. And if you want to know your exact writing score before the PTE exam, practice on Gurully.com. Our AI matches with the real PTE exam, so you'll know exactly where you stand. Thanks for watching and all the best for your exam. Cheers.